Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to remove professional account on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to remove professional account on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app, and from over here guys we'll be required to tap on our profile picture at the bottom right corner of our screen. Tap on that, and again from over here at the top right corner of the screen you can see your three lined icons. Tap on that, and guys on this interface scroll down and you can see the creator tools and controls. Either you will be able to switch your account type from over here, but if you're on a business account type rather than a creator, then you will have to go to the business section and similar kind of interface will appear where under the category for professionals there will be a business content type of option. So after knowing that, we'll be going to the creator tools and content, and over here scroll down until you can find the switch account type option available for us, which is the fifth one from the last one. Tap on the switch account type and you can see either to choose to a business account or switch to personal account. In order to switch to personal account, tap on switch to personal account, and by tapping on switch to personal account you will change you'll switch your account to personal account, by which you will have removed your professional account on Instagram. And guys, this is how to remove professional account on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.